So here we come with a bridal journey, skincare routine or full body detox routine, because I am going to tell you a lot of things which you can do in next 6 months to get fully ready for your bridal or groom day. For the first month should be your detox and reset your gut, because gut ki agar health अच्छी है then everything will be fine in your body. So you should take some good wellness shots, you should take green juices, you should eat clean. You can go for any of the skin problems like acne scars, or you have too much dark pigmentation on your skin, you have hair problem all over your body. You can go to the clinic and customize and take a treatment plan for that. Secondly, you should religiously start taking sunscreen like IV glutathione or IV therapies, which will again help you with the detox and also removing the tanning and glowing of your skin. Then supplements are very important. So supplements like omega-3, which will help you reduce the inflammation in the body, magnesium, which will help you get a calming nerves, and also you will get a good sleep, which will indirectly detox your body. Probiotics, permanent makeups like microblading, lip tint, which is very helpful during your wedding season, because you will not be able to do makeups and everything all the time. So now is the time you will can have two sittings and focus now only on your glowing and hydration of your skin and overall body. So what you can go for, you can go for hydra facials, Korean glass treatments, which is available at Aura Aesthetic. It is herbal and chemical free. For any treatment to work, because ये clothes नहीं है या कपड़े नहीं है कि change किया और look change हो गया. Skin needs time. Give them time for at least 60 to 45 days so that it can show you results. You can go for very good treatments like PRP, GFC, mesotherapy. So now we have reached to the 4th month. Whatever treatments you have done, you can go for second sitting of that. For permanent makeup, you can go for second sitting. For IV glutathione, you can actually go as per recommendation. You can also add on now the stress relief therapies, which is very important, because wedding season, wedding shopping, wedding planning, it's all about stress, and nowadays bride and groom tend to do everything. If you have already taken permanent makeup one sitting, this is the time you need to take your second sitting, because you have almost 2 months of gap in between. Last month, take your IV glutathione shots, take your hydrating therapies very strictly, and also you can add skin boosters to that. You should not forget your oral sunscreens as well. Do not try anything new. Who's getting married or you are getting married, do not try anything new in the last month. It can be a real disaster. Only go for glow or hydrating facials, nothing like which is injectable or invasive. And if you like it, give it a thumbs up, or you can write down anything you want to know. You need a consultation at Aura Aesthetic. We are here for you.